Many businesses face challenges in optimizing production, supply chain, and financial resources. In this video, we'll explore the comprehensive planning process within Books365 Advanced ERP. Books365 Planning Management helps businesses define goals, analyze data, create actionable plans, and monitor performance. Let's dive in. First, we need to define objectives and goals. Every organization must have clear strategic and operational goals. This creates alignment across the departments. For example, in supply chain management, the goal is to optimize production to meet customer demands effectively. Next comes data analysis and forecasting. Books365 Advanced ERP offers tools that analyze various data sources. This includes sales, inventory, and finance data. Demand forecasting plays a vital role here. It helps predict future demands using historical data. Additionally, master planning assesses what raw materials and capacities will be required. Now we move to plan creation and optimization. From the objectives and data analysis, detailed plans are crafted. These cover production, capacity, resource allocation, and budgeting. In production planning, we create schedules and optimize resource allocation effectively. After plan creation, we focus on performance monitoring and adjustment. Books365 Advanced ERP has tools that monitor the execution of plans. By analyzing performance data, organizations can adjust strategies as needed. For instance, tracking quality control metrics helps maintain high production quality. Next, let's look at key business processes supported by planning. The plan to produce process manages production operations and ensures quality control. The forecast to plan process uses demand forecasts to craft actionable plans. Meanwhile, master planning determines raw materials and capacity needs. Also essential is the budget planning process. This involves creating and managing budgets effectively. It allocates resources while tracking expenses. Finally, we have key considerations to keep in mind. Pegging links supply and demand, ensuring material availability. Scenario analysis evaluates the financial impacts of various production strategies. Prioritization helps ensure important tasks are addressed first. Lastly, integration streamlines data processes across departments. By utilizing these features, Books365 Advanced ERP streamlines planning processes, boosts efficiency, reduces costs, and achieves business goals successfully. Ready to optimize your planning process? Contact us at start@books365.in to learn more.